it's small town, it's community, it's family. I had a daughter that came here later in her high school years, and I knew she'd be taken care of. And I collaborated with teachers, we talked, and it was a great experience.
I think Seymour schools are special because you make a lot of friends, and it's like, I like the small town, and like there's not as many kids.
What excites me every day is the evidence of the growth that we're seeing, that we're moving in the right direction. We feel pride in the work that we're doing and inspired to keep that going.
1, 2, 2.
Learning in the classroom is really a whole body, mind experience. Children have so much more to learn than just what's in the textbook, and they have to really know who they are as learners in order to grasp the concepts that we really want them to be able to take from grade to grade. And for me, I feel that learning happens best when students feel comfortable and safe, and you build that community within your four walls of your classroom.
Teachers are really great with helping us, and another great thing that helps me is our win time, or what you need time. It is a wonderful thing that the school has built into the school day that lets kids have a 45-minute period to work on whatever they need, and it's super, super helpful for people who, like me, who are very busy outside of the school day.
I try to at least work with each kid individually at least once to twice a week to actually have a conversation with them personally, how things are going, what might they be struggling with, not only at school, but what's going on outside of school.
Seymour has programs such as Start College Now and AP classes that provide students with the opportunity to have college credits even when they're in high school. This helps students like me to save time and money going further.
Seymour does a great job of preparing students for if they're going into the career force or college. There's many opportunities here for both paths in life. Like, we have an apprenticeship program here that many kids enroll in, and that allows them either like their senior or junior year to go and practice the trades that they're going into. In our tech ed department, we have many practices for like welding, mechanics, and it's wonderful for those kids.
The opportunities that our students have while they are still on our campus is just amazing. They're able to get hands-on, field-specific, content-rich experiences right within the confines of our own walls. But we also have great partnerships, especially in our communities, that enable our students to have opportunities in the field, authentic work opportunities that help them to really kind of try out different careers and experiences to see what is in line with their interests and talents.
It's important that people understand how the school district is moving our community as a whole forward. And I'm involved in different community groups, and my husband's involved in different community groups that are made up of a lot of school staff, and we appreciate the collaboration between the school and the community, because the school is the center of our community, and they are helping to move this community forward.